Hello all, welcome back to my channel You Dream You Design. I hope you're all doing great. And today I have received my small giveaway gift from my favorite crafter Adis Creations. Recently she had conducted a beautiful giveaway, and you know what? In that I'm the winner of the giveaway. So who loves the most, like one of my favorite crafter, I have received a small gift from one of my favorite crafter. I was super duper excited to receive this, and even I'm most excited to see what is in this. So just now I have received it, and you can see the beautiful packing she had done. I'm literally shocked, and like this is my small time dream from my favorite crafter to receive any goodie from my favorite crafter. And she have even sent a small tag stating that congratulations. So wow, thank you. And so these are the goodies she had sent me in the small giveaway which I have participated. So let's open this and see what she had sent me. I'm very excited because she is my favorite crafter. Wow, a pink theme. As I am a girl, she had sent me in a pink theme. This is a small glimpse of the giveaway gift which she had sent me. Wow, I'm excited to open this. So now she had sent me a small sticker stating that thank you. Actually, I thought to save that sticker, but unfortunately, it has been tore up. So now let's see. Wow, all in pink theme. Thank you, Adira. I never expected this. So she had sent me cute pencils. This is not the age to use pencils, I guess, but for crafters, pencil is a must tool. So she had sent me so many pencils. So this is a small embellishment. Actually this was stuck on the suitcase. She had sent me a paper suitcase, but unfortunately it has been, like, I have removed from the suitcase a small embellishment. And this one is like a paper suitcase. Wow, what a cute suitcase, right? I love the paper packs theme. Actually she'll be using the embellishments on the top. Wow, rose gold. I love the color of the rose gold. She had sent me paper clips which are in rose gold theme, and also some wooden clips in heart shape, and some thumb pins. Wow, look at this. This is a magnetic bookmark. Wow, I like reading novels. So recently I thought to make a one bookmark related to my novel. And Adira, yes, you have finally sent me a bookmark. And you know, this one is also rose gold pins. Wow, thank you Adira so much. I love the color of rose gold. Without knowing my taste, you have sent me all rose gold and my favorite collection. And this one, you look, this is a just a note diary. Look at this note diary. This is beautiful in A5 size. And Adira, you just stole my heart. Thank you so much. I didn't expect this one. And a pink theme paper pack which is in 6x6 size from Craft Rescue. Thank you Adira for sending